I'm recording. Oh my, it has a siren.
How does it?
Hey, Lily, press that pedal.
Press that button.
Whoa!
Press it again, Lily.
Oh, don't push the baby off.
Hey, Lily. Press.
Oh.
Okay. Card, any card. We'll turn it like that. I turned it.
Ah! Are you gonna crash into me?
Reverse.
Better turn it around, huh?
I pressed reverse. Oh, there.
Ah! Don't run over Daddy. Ah!
Turn it around. Count it. Really don't yet. Now turn it around. Okay. And let's go. Press the pedal. Go. Oh, I can hit that. Come on, Lily, go. Kevin, come and teach us.
Say you don't push on that light. You didn't even see the baby anymore.
I'm gonna shuffle these cards.
Alright, just one sec, bud.
Lily, go first.
Trying to film the mayhem.
Hey, no, press the pedal, Lily. Oh, dear. Oh, my foot. Oh, dear. Okay, I'll press the pedal. My present.
Lily, let's see you ride the motorcycle.
Okay, pick a card.
Make it go forward.
1 second. Pick a card.
Hoopla.
Get on there,
I'm
Lily.
gonna try. Let me try.
Lily.
6.
Can you turn it towards Grandma? Can you, no, yeah, like that. There. Steer it. There you go.
It's
Now
a
do it.
6. Don't. Lily, can I try you? Okay.
Oh boy.
Oh, dear.
See, reverse is like.
Yeah, Johnny. Okay, she knows.
So you want to let Lily ride it?
You're a biker.